This problem is based on the law of conservation of energy. We know law of conservation of energy states that the total energy of the system remains constant. Okay, so let us do the problem. A particle of mass m is hung from the ceiling by a massless string of length 1 meter as shown in figure. The particle is released from rest when the angle between the string and the downward vertical direction is 30 degrees. What is its speed when it reaches the lowest point of its arc? Now, just now I told you the initial energy of the system is equal to final energy. Initially, the object has what type of energy object has? As the object is pulled aside, that means here the pendulum is pulled to its extreme position by an angle 30 degrees. So the pendulum has the gravitational potential and energy. Therefore, it has mgh. So what is the energy at the lowest point? From here, we are releasing the pendulum. So the pendulum comes to the mean position or the equilibrium position. At the equilibrium position, the pendulum has only kinetic energy. Therefore, here it has half mv square. Okay. Now, mass cancels out. We are left with v is equal to square root of 2gh. We know g is equal to 9.8 meters per second square, and then h is the question mark. Now we have to find out the h from the geometry of the figure. We know OAB is the triangle. From this triangle, we will try to find out the h. Okay, so cos theta from the triangle OAB, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is y, hypotenuse is 1 meter. So y by 1 meter. Okay, and then what is y? Y is total length L, length of the pendulum minus h. Okay, therefore y is equal to L minus h. We know L is equal to 1 meter. So y is equal to 1 minus h. That I will substitute here. And then cos theta, theta is equal to 30 degrees. Cos 30 is equal to 0.8660. Therefore, cos 30 is equal to 1 minus h divided by 1. Okay, therefore 0.8660 is equal to 1 minus h by 1, or h is equal to 1 minus 0.8660. Okay. This value is therefore h is equal to, what is the amount we are going to get? 0.134 meters. Okay, substitute the value of h in this, we will get the answer. So v is equal to, or I write here, v is equal to square root of 2 times 9.8 times, now h is equal to 0.134. Therefore, v is equal to square root of, this value is 2.6264. Therefore, v is equal to 1.62 meters per second. Okay, so this is how we have to solve this problem. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.